Hey guys, welcome to Desk Jockey Physio, where we help active desk folks feel and move better. My name is Mitch Starkman. I'm an FCAMP registered physiotherapist and sports medicine clinic owner here in Toronto. Thanks for stopping by. Hey everyone, two quick updates before we jump into today's video. Number one, we have a free giveaway today. If you head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/guide, you can download your 5-step guide of how to set up the perfect laptop home office, which you can do right here, okay? And number two, we are now offering online physiotherapy sessions for you folks out there. To learn more about that, head over to deskjockeyphysio.com/online, and we'll see you there. All right, otherwise, enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, so we are talking about the 3 best exercises to fix text neck. All right, and what we're gonna do for this video is go through these top 3 ones. Now, if you haven't watched what is text neck, head over to our part 1 over this. We can put a link below to that. But today we're gonna talk about the 3 top exercises, and I hope in the next little while we can actually get an online program set up for this as well, because we had a lot of questions. So at a later date, you can go on down and check out the link below, and hopefully we have a program there for you as well. So the 3 exercises we're going to do today is, one is for the upper back to help get out of this, call it text neck posture or position, right? Trying to open up the upper back so we can get out of that position here. The second is a postural drill or retraining, and the third is going to be simply a strength exercise. All right, so number 1, we're going to go ahead and get ourselves a foam roller. I can go ahead and put some links below to the ones that I like. Now, as you're rolling back and forth, you're just kind of warming up and trying to get some extension or gapping through the upper back. Elbows in nice and tight, and just rocking back and forth. You can go ahead and tuck that butt down, elbows tall, and extend back. Up and extend. And you're working your way kind of inch by inch, vertebrae by vertebrae through the upper back as you control yourself down through that neck and that upper back and neck position. Okay, neck should be supported through this process. Now, really important with our next exercise that you actually reclaim this position. So meaning you just worked on the upper back with these exercises. Now we want to use that range of motion for our next one. So if I am hanging out on my phone in this position, we want to adopt a better position, which is why I call this the rule of 5. So what you're going to do is pull your shoulder blades back, chin up tall, and you're going to hold this position for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to relax back into that normal position that you're in. And you're going to kind of realize how drastic a change this is. And you're going to go back, up again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax back down. 5 reps of this. 5 reps, 5-second holds, 5 sets. Ideally, you should feel a difference as you do more and more of the foam rolling to kind of adapt to these new positions. And ideally, you can do that one throughout the day to constantly remind you of these positions. And the third and final exercise is just a basic and one of my favorite postural strengthening exercises, which is called W's. So you're going to go ahead and grab onto this band, elbows gently rested at the sides and bent at 90 degrees, head up tall. You're going to go ahead and rotate your hands out to the side and back, and twist out and back. I'm not straightening my elbows, I'm just gently rotating forward and back. And the big thing with this position as you do it is you are getting good activation of the back of the shoulders, and your neck is in a solid position. You are not over here as you do it, doing this frog thing. You're up tall, nice and tucked, engaging as you activate this. So those are the 3 drills I want you guys to focus on. Number 1, upper back foam roll, 2 to 3 minutes. Second, you're going to come on down and do your rule of 5, 5-second holds, 5 reps, 5 times throughout the day. And number 3 is these W's or shoulder rotations. I will go ahead and put links to the full descriptions of those videos below, and also on resistance bands and the foam rollers that I like as well, because I get asked that a lot. And finally, if you are looking for something advanced, like a more bigger program, let us know, and we're happy to kind of create something for you guys. All right, so I hope that helps. If you have questions, let us know. Subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate that. Share as well. You can follow us on Instagram at Desk Jockey Physio. And of course, move like you mean it. Thanks a lot.